At the University of Sydney, we're committed to making sure you're confident and ready to start your studies.
We're delighted to have you join us and find your place in our unique history.
You're going to have a lot of questions, so we've designed a pre-commencement program to give you all the information and resources you'll need to navigate your way around the university. There are 4 main modules that'll be your compass to getting started at the university, looking at your new community, your well-being, your academic success, and how to manage the essentials of student life. Find out about the amazing opportunities to connect and collaborate with the university community, like the many different clubs and societies you can join, from the Chocolate Society to Quidditch Club, sports and fitness facilities, and student associations. You can even interact with our global community map and explore your place alongside the thousands of other USyd students across the world. Learn about the academic and administrative support available to you and how to contact us for help in your studies and beyond. Plus, download your Student Welcome Guide featuring a handy checklist, glossary and essential information for getting started. And find out how we can support your well-being while you study. At the end of each of the modules, you'll find a wrap-up video from one of our amazing peer leaders.
Today I'm going to share 2 tips that I'm hoping will help you make Sydney feel more like home to you and feel a lot less scary.
You'll have access to the program throughout your first semester, so come back to look up any information you need at any time. So let's get started. Jump in and start exploring your pre-commencement program now.